Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am your instructor from EduSmart Studio. I hope you all are doing well. Let's begin our today's session. Today's session focuses on fourth element of curriculum. In previous lectures, we discussed the first three elements of curriculum such as objectives, subject matter and teaching methods. The first element helped us understand why we teach, means what learners are expected to achieve or learn. Second element explain what to teach, means which knowledge, concept and skills to be taught. Third element describe the strategies used to teach the content, means how the content should be taught. Now an important question arises, how do we assess the learning? To answer this question, we move toward the fourth element of curriculum, that is evaluation. Learning objectives. This means after this lecture, you will be able to define and explain the concept of evaluation, differentiate between various types of evaluation, explain the purpose and importance of evaluation, and you will be able to analyze the role of evaluation in improving curriculum. Let's discuss the fourth and the most important element of curriculum, that is evaluation. Evaluation refers to the systematic process of collecting, analyzing and interpreting information to determine what extent educational objectives have been achieved. It is judgmental in nature because it judges the effectiveness of teaching and learning. In simple words, evaluation answered the question how to assess learning. Now let's discuss the purpose of evaluation. Evaluation serves several purposes in teaching and learning process. These include identifying learning gaps, monitoring students' progress, encouraging self-growth, ensuring application of skills, measuring achievements of objectives, and comparing students' performance with others. Let's discuss each one by one to understand the purpose of evaluation. The first one is identify learning gaps. This means evaluation helps the teacher or educators identify students' prior knowledge, strength and weaknesses before instruction begins. For example, a teacher conducts diagnostic evaluation by giving a pre-test in mathematics before starting a new chapter to identify students' learning gaps. The second one is monitor learning progress. This means evaluation helps the teachers track students' learning during teaching learning process. For example, a teacher uses formative evaluation through quizzes or class activities during lesson to check learning progress of students. The next one is encourage self-growth. This means evaluation encourages personal improvement by comparing present performance with the past performance. For example, a teacher uses Ipsative evaluation comparing a student's current essay with previous essay to encourage self-growth. The next one is measure achievement of objectives. This means evaluation determines whether learning objectives of the curriculum have been achieved. For example, a teacher uses Criterion-Referenced evaluation to check whether students can solve algebra problems according to the lesson objectives. These are the purpose of evaluation. Next comes role of evaluation. This means how evaluation improves curriculum. The first role is determines achievement of objectives. This means evaluation examines whether curriculum objectives are being achieved by students. If objectives are not achieved, curriculum planners may revise the content or teaching strategies. For example, if evaluation results show that students are unable to apply mathematical concept in problem solving, the curriculum may include more practice exercises and real-life examples. The next role is improve teaching and learning methods. This means evaluation provides information about the effectiveness of teaching methods used in curriculum. It helps teachers modify their instructional strategies to improve learning. For example, if students do not understand science concept through lectures, the curriculum may incorporate experiments, demonstration and activity-based learning. And the third one is identify strengths and weaknesses of curriculum. This means evaluation helps identify effective and ineffective areas of curriculum. This information helps curriculum developers maintain strong areas and improve weak ones. For example, if students perform well in reading comprehension but poor in writing skills, the curriculum may include additional writing tasks and assignments. And fourth one is provide feedback for decision making. This means evaluation provides reliable data for teachers, administrators and curriculum planners to make informed educational decisions. For example, if evaluation reports show that certain topics are too difficult for students, then curriculum developers may simplify the content or adjust the grade level. The next comes support curriculum revision and updating. This means evaluation indicates when the curriculum needs revision to meet the new educational or societal needs. For example, if evaluation shows that students lack digital skills, the curriculum may be updated to include ICT or computer education. And the last one is ensure quality education. This means continuous evaluation helps maintain high educational standards and ensure that the curriculum effectively supports students' learning. For example, school-based evaluation may highlight learning gaps, leading to improvements in curriculum content and teaching practices. So these can improve curriculum in many ways, because evaluation is an essential element of curriculum development because it measures the effectiveness of teaching and learning, identifies strengths and weaknesses and guides curriculum improvement. Through continuous evaluation, the curriculum can be updated, improved and aligned with educational and societal needs. Before we conclude, let's quickly recap the four elements of curriculum. So, objective tells us why to teach, subject matter tells us what to teach, and teaching methods explain how to teach, and evaluation helps us understand how to assess learning. This is your assignment. Thank you for watching. If you found this lecture helpful and useful, please like, share and subscribe for more educational content.